And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 343. We'll get back to the pen tool. We'll left click here on the top, then we'll left click drag to create a curve. Let me switch that, we don't need a fill, and we add a stroke. Let me make that 10 points, and you can already see I have to reposition this because I wasn't perfect. And I can try to use the handles to adjust the angle. Then I continue. I have to left click drag again. Can't hit it perfectly, and then I have to close the shape. And here we get this nasty curve. We wanted to have a straight line there. If we activate the direct selection tool and select one of these anchor points, you can see this because of the handles. So we have a curve where we don't want one, therefore would be a good idea to get this handle somehow turned 90 degrees. But once we do that, the other handle, we move it 90 degrees as well. So they are connected, and it's not really what we want. We want to have a straight line here and a curve down there, because otherwise our curve will be out of line. And if we get our curve in line again, we have the straight line on that goes here vertically. And there's a simple fix. When you have the pen tool active, you hold Alt and then you hover over the handle, and then you can see how the cursor changes. So you get this triangle, this open triangle shape, and now you can adjust the handle individually, just like that, and you have your straight line. And this is actually the convert tool. So convert for these nodes, for these corner points, whatever you want to call them. Then we create a fantasy shape here. And every time we have a curve, there is an angle. Therefore, we have a handle to adjust it. And we can use the direct selection tool, and this will always connect these handles. So the two handles that meet at this specific corner point, we can only adjust it together. But with this convert point tool, we can adjust it individually and therefore kind of like connect straight and curved lines. Don't worry here too much about the fragment. We're going to delete this shape anyway. But you can see the principle. And holding Alt while you have the pen tool active and then hovering over handles activates this tool temporarily. But once more, I think my method is the better one. So let me show you that on the right. I simply use the pen tool, treat it like it would be a triangle with only straight lines. Then I switch to curvature pen tool, hover over these lines, reposition that. And if there's still a need to adjust it, I would use the direct selection tool, just like I've shown you in earlier videos. And here you can see we have a perfectly straight line. The curves are well positioned, angles look good. So I think that my method still holds, and you don't really need to use other tools. They're nice to have. You don't really have to adjust the handles that much. It's all about tracing the outline first, as if there were straight lines using the pen tool. Then use the curvature tool, and maybe afterwards use the direct selection tool to reposition your nodes. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.